What's up, guys? So here we are with another exciting install and video from Appalachian Lighting. So this customer comes to us from out of Kaiser, West Virginia, and we want to give a big thanks to Marques Rice for coming to us and allowing us to install the lights and hook everything back up and kind of clean everything up a little bit. So what we did in the front was we wired up the amber and white flashing. We mounted these as well. And then the red Feniex TIR3s that are on the outsides, we mounted and wired these up as well. These are all wired up to a separate switch box that was supplied by the customer. The lights were supplied by the customer as well. The grill came with the lights in it, so we wired those up to the bumper light in the bottom there. So they're all on one switch per the customer's request. So we're gonna walk around to the back of the truck here. Okay guys, again, here on the back, everything was supplied except for the strobe lights and the third brake light. The customer supplied the TIR3s that are flashing on both sides of the license plate. The customer also supplied the floodlights that are mounted underneath the bumper. We had to replace the driver's side, it was broken, and rewire it. The floodlights in the back of the toolbox here, they were not working, so we had to diagnose the problem with them and finally got those working. Looking good. Definitely should give him enough light to the back for doing anything he needs to at night. And then flashing away up here is the Brooking Industries Halo 9 hideaway strobes, and these things look awesome. And I know it's the middle of the day and cameras don't ever do things justice, but these are flashing away very, very brightly. Definitely an eye catcher. Definitely if you're going down the road, you will see these. So that's it, guys. Again, we want to thank Marques Rice for coming to us and allowing us to do the install on this beautiful 2016 Ram 2500 Cummins. And hopefully we'll have some more upgrades coming in the future. Guys, remember, if you need anything, give us a call. Even though if you didn't buy the products off of us, we will be happy to install them for you and hook you up with a nice clean install. So guys, give me a call at 301-910-4114. Thanks. Have a good day.